What if the warning signs of the next earthquake or tsunami aren't in the news, but right in front of you? Hours before major natural disasters strike, animals around the world begin acting strangely. Dogs panic, birds disappear, fish abandon their habitats. These behaviors aren't random, and they're not coincidence. For centuries, people have reported animals sensing danger long before humans felt the first tremor or saw the first wave. Scientists now believe animals can detect subtle environmental signals that human senses completely miss. And in some cases, paying attention to these signs has saved lives. Ignoring them may mean missing the only early warning nature gives, from tiny signals to massive danger earthquake. Precursors and seismic sensitivity. Before an earthquake, the Earth releases tiny vibrations, electromagnetic changes, and pressure shifts that most humans never notice. But animals can. Insects, amphibians, and small mammals are often the first to react. Frogs may abandon ponds, snakes leave burrows, birds suddenly take flight. Scientists believe underground stress and microquakes release low-frequency sounds and vibrations that animals detect through the ground. These early reactions are often the first signs that something massive is building beneath the surface. The smallest creatures often react first. Insects and early warning signals. Insects are among the most sensitive creatures on Earth. Ants may abandon nests, bees may stop producing honey, and swarms may suddenly change direction. These reactions are triggered by shifts in air pressure, humidity, and ground vibrations. Because insects respond first, their behavior often signals danger long before larger animals react. Historically, farmers noticed unusual insect activity before floods and storms. These tiny creatures prove that disaster sensing begins at the smallest level of life, silent anxiety. Before the shock cats and subtle behavioral changes, cats often react quietly before disasters. They may hide, refuse food, or suddenly leave familiar spaces. Some experts believe cats detect seismic activity and atmospheric changes through their sensitive whiskers and inner ear balance systems. Unlike dogs, cats don't warn loudly, they escape silently. In earthquake-prone regions, many reports describe cats fleeing homes hours before tremors. These subtle signs are easy to miss, but they may be early survival cues. When pets try to warn their owners, dogs and their unusual restlessness. Dogs are one of the clearest animal warning systems. They may bark excessively, pace, whine, or refuse to enter buildings. Studies suggest dogs sense seismic vibrations, magnetic field changes, and underground gas releases before earthquakes. Some owners have reported their dogs acting panicked hours before major tremors struck. Dogs can also sense storms and tornadoes by detecting air pressure shifts. If your dog suddenly behaves as if something is wrong, there may be a reason. When water becomes unstable fish and aquatic animal. Warnings. Aquatic animals often react before tsunamis and earthquakes. Fish may swim erratically or leave rivers and ponds entirely. Frogs and toads may abandon breeding grounds without explanation. These behaviors are believed to result from pressure changes, vibrations, and chemical shifts in water. In coastal regions, people have survived tsunamis after noticing fish behavior changing suddenly. What happens underwater often signals danger before anything is visible on land. The sky clears before the storm birds and mass migration, before disasters, before hurricanes and powerful storms. Birds may disappear entirely. They change flight paths, fly at unusual altitudes, or leave nesting areas days early. Birds are extremely sensitive to barometric pressure and wind patterns. Some species even reverse migration routes to avoid danger. Long before satellites existed, humans watched birds to predict weather. Even today, sudden silence in the sky can signal that something destructive is approaching. When giants save lives, Elephants and life-saving instincts. Elephants may provide the strongest evidence of animal disaster awareness. Before tsunamis, earthquakes, and storms, elephants have been observed moving to higher ground, fleeing coastal areas, or gathering protectively. Their massive feet allow them to sense low-frequency ground vibrations from great distances. In some regions, people followed fleeing elephants and survived disasters that killed thousands. These moments suggest animal behavior isn't just instinct, it can be life-saving intelligence. Can science decode these warnings? How researchers study animal signals. Scientists now use GPS tracking, motion sensors, and behavior monitoring to study animal reactions before disasters. Sudden migration changes, erratic movement, and social disruption often correlate with seismic and weather events. While animals don't always react consistently, combining biological signals with modern technology may improve early warning systems. Nature may already be sending alerts. We're just learning how to listen. Why paying attention matters. Nature's oldest warning system. From insects to elephants, animals detect environmental changes long before humans can. Evolution has given them biological sensors more sensitive than many human instruments. Ignoring these warnings could mean missing critical time to escape danger. While animals can't replace technology, their behavior can complement it. They are not just reacting, they're responding to Earth's hidden signals. The next time animals around you act strangely, it may not be random. It could be nature warning you first. If this opened your eyes to how deeply connected life on Earth really is, like, subscribe, and share this video with others. More hidden science and unexplained truths are coming soon.